Your mom texts, "Can you take out the trash?" It's a simple request. It will take 90 seconds. But internally, it feels like this. That, my friends, is the task switch tax. It's not the trash, it's the brutal mental gear shifting. Your brain screams, "You want me to stop this?" And start that and use my body differently? The audacity. It's a total system meltdown over a 90-second chore. This is why you get stuck scrolling, or why you snap in a minute when you're interrupted. It's a real neurological cost. Your brain literally has to burn energy to change tracks. It's exhausting. So, we need to build a mental ramp, not a cliff. We do that with a bridge task. Here's your 3-step detour. Step 1. The moment you're interrupted, say, bridge task, out loud. Yes, it feels silly. Do it anyway. Step 2. Do a 10-second physical reset. Do 3 jumping jacks. Spin in a circle. Do the Macarena for 5 seconds. Step 3. Now, go do the new thing. Your brain has been jolted out of its rut, and the switch will feel 80% easier. It's like a Control-Alt-Delete for your focus. Your mission. What tiny request makes your brain blue screen every time? Is it, "Can you feed the dog?" Or, "Can you check the mail?" Comment, task switch, and confess below. We need a support group. Follow for more ways to hack your brain's weirdest glitches.